Hello, everyone. R2F back with another Trade Like a Sniper episode where I walk you through a top down analysis of an asset and frame a trade on a lower time frame, all using ICT's concepts. So, if you want to learn how to trade like this, check out my other videos on TradingView or YouTube. And if you want private coaching or mentorship, feel free to contact me on any one of my socials. So, as usual, I will start with an asset, usually on the 4 to 12-month time frame, and I'll use the TradingView Replay tool to go back in time and frame a trade. So, let's go and find an asset. Okay, let's see what we can get. Try something different, something that goes back a bit of time, at least. How about XRP? Um, yeah. Okay. Okay, great. It looks like this on the higher time frames, starting January 2018. So because it's not too much data, I will go to maybe the 2-month time frame and then find a trade. So let's just go all the way to the start, maybe. Or should I just be random about it? I'll just be random. Close it up. Close it up. I didn't see. I didn't look. Close it up more. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch the spider by its toe. Okay. So here we are. XRP. What do we see? Nothing right now. Okay, so let's go to the monthly. Let's go to the monthly. Then we can go on the lower time frames because the data is not too far back. So I think we can at least go to the 4 hours. Okay. No gaps here on the monthly at the moment. Let's wait for a monthly gap to appear. Price could come down. Let's just see. Okay. What do I notice here at the very least? A lot of equal lows, but crypto, it could just be a buy wall at the very cheapest of prices. So I don't really watch XRP, although I do look at crypto sometimes. Okay, these are relative equal lows. Fast forward. Do we take that eventually? Okay, we take this sell side, and we even take the one here as well. A little bit, as you can see. So yeah, let's fast forward. See what happens. Let's just fast forward. There's a gap up there. Okay. I'm going to go to the weekly and maybe find a long to come back into this area, this 1 month busy, right? Okay. So came up once and now we're here. I'm going to go to the weekly, find a trade that comes maybe into this. That's the weekly, right? That's the monthly gap. We've got a weekly one here as well. SIBI 1 month. Sorry, this was not a busy. This is a SIBI 1 month. Both SIBIs. And this is a SIBI 1 week. What am I doing? Okay. So we have a breaker here that kind of completely got disrespected. I'm going to go to the daily. All right. This is the daily. I already like this. Do we come down to here or not? Or we could just be bouncing on this hidden order block here. Let's go to the 4 hours. And okay, so our target is here, right? Above this high. So let's define our target. Let's define our stop. I think this would be a safe stop here. Safer stop at the low. But we want to frame a higher probability trade. So let's go to the 4 hours. Hopefully we can get something there. Okay, so 4 hours coming down. I think we can come down more. Okay, win this gap and we break up. I would like to go to the daily, maybe the 8 hours. Okay, I'm going to define this. Okay, I'm going to define this 8-hour order block here. Okay, and go back to the 4-hour. Okay, we came down to that 8-hour order block. All right, I'm just going to get in here. Pretty confident this is the bottom. And I'll put my stop at the low here. 4 hours is as low as I'm going to go, and I can only market buy, obviously. And what am I going to target? I'm going to target the target. Make sense? Yeah. So firstly into this monthly, and then into this weekly. So I guess most off here and a little bit more here. And we can actually ride it even more. Let's see what happens. If we get stopped out here, I'll be looking for a trade in here. Okay, we came to this order block, gap here, and we move up. Okay, so we have another order block here. Let's just see what happens. Okay, it's not looking too great at this moment, but I'm not going to touch the trade. In some circumstances, I may move it to break even or trail it to that swing low there. But this is, it's either accumulating. Okay. Came all the way down here. Okay, so this one was stopped out. We lost out on that one. Let's go back to the daily so we can get some information. I'm going to hide this on the higher time frames. This one too. Okay. Let's go. Okay, we took out that. Okay, this intermediate term low taken out. Okay, let's go back to the 4 hours. We came into that gap. I know. We took the liquidity here. Fast drop. But I think we can make it to the top. If our bias is right, price shouldn't come down too low. We took the liquidity. We should come into that gap. This manipulation move, 2.56. Come on. I know you can do it. XRP is a weird one. 2019, plus it had all those legal issues, so you do get some weird things. Let's just fast forward this. Okay. All right. Comes even lower. Bet on. That's a 2-trade loss. Do not come to that target yet. Let's go to the weekly. Seem to be going even lower. K came up to that area, and now we're just going lower. Let's see if we can catch a trade. Let's go to weekly. I would be keen to catch a long into there. Daily. All the way here. Okay. So this one did get broken. We didn't come up yet. Let's wait for a daily gap, and then we can go long. Okay. Let's see here. We got a daily gap. Let's do a 4-hour analysis. If we can get a 4-hour gap to form, let's take that trade. Okay. Okay. Oh, dang. The whole candle printed. Unfortunate. There was an inversion gap here. So I'm just going to put it this low. This is an intermediate term low. Let's try and catch a good RR all the way back to where we wanted to go. 10R. XRP is a cheeky one. Okay, let's go ahead and manage this trade by going to a higher time frame. Okay, we got a daily gap here as well. Daily gap, 2-day gap, 2-day gap in here. So just to be sure, 2-day gap in there. Okay, just to watch out. Price comes all the way back down there. Come on. So, okay, retesting the daily gap. Okay, see we enter here. Let's check out the reaction. Okay, it's not closing below. This is really good. I hope we don't close below. Okay, we're closing below. Although now we're into this gap here of this breaker. So let's just see if we can go up. Okay. All right. So offered fair value in here. So this gap should offer us higher prices. Okay. There we go. We're back in here. Let's just go all the way, baby. Let's go all the way. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay. Both targets hit. Lost an R here. Lost an R here. Gained 12R here. If you were to hold the entire position, right? So you don't have to hold the entire position. You should always take partials. Unless you know what you're doing, it's part of your strategy. That's up to you. So first target hit, and then the weekly gap hit. Lost 2R, made about 10R. Great. Superb. Very nice. See the daily gap here as well. Daily gap here as well. Okay, so now we transited. We got into the weekly gap. And yeah, I think we could even go a little bit higher, but it's okay. We got a target. We came back into a premium. All right. So now that kind of trade, I wouldn't be trying to force a trade again. So very nice. Very nice. Yeah. All right. So that's it. That's it for this one. I think it was pretty good. Close this because I can't post a video if I don't close it. So let's go back and look at that trade on the daily. Yeah, wow. Okay, so yeah, look at that. Okay, so we go down to 12 hours. Okay, so 12 hours. Look at that. Here to here, 12R. We hit the top. Price came all the way down. Excellent. XRP, big moves. Where are we now? Being pretty boring. Sorry, XRP fans. It's awesome. 2 losses, 1 big win. Great. Yep. Okay, that's it. See you next time, guys. Bye. Bye-bye.